Faces. 1, 2, 3.
Justin, dump it on his head.
Come on, Stevie.
Well, I wasn't looking good for the And the winner is the Outlaw Justin and the Outlaws.
Yeah.
The second round will be a game of Cowboy, Indian, and Buffalo. This game will be marked like a game of rock, paper, scissors.
You got this. You got this.
Right. Cowboy, bang, beats Indian. Indian, wang, beats Buffalo. And Buffalo beats Cowboy.
Buffaloes don't move.
They go.
There you
Oh, yes, trust me.
I can make that sound.
Try it. No, lower. There you go.
Don't wiggle me.
There he is.
Don't wiggle me.
Oh no, then we want to see your face.
What did you say?
Smoke with the fire.
1, 2, 3, bang! 1, 2, 3, bang! 1, 2, 3.
What did you practice?
I'm laughing long every time I breathe.
Just dish the glass for me to win.
1, 2, 3, bang!
Now, for round 3, we're going to have a foot race. Send forth your racers.
Yeah,
Come in there.
Yeah.
Come on, Deputy Ring. Not fall asleep.
No sleeping.
Right.
Come on, Boomerang.
Ready,
Deputy.
set, go.
What the heck?
Yeah, we're winning.
Yeah. You still win.
Okay. We'll come back to that race when it finishes right here. For round 4, we're going to have a debate. Bring out your champions.
So this is the last one, right?
Step aside, guys. I've got this.
Oh!
I got it.
Outlaw Justin versus Deputy
No.
Oh.
Shoe it. Stumpy McStump of the Stump clan. He has his own clan?
Is that legal?
Yeah, I think it's legal.
And what
You
else?
outnumber them, so they're guaranteed to log. So, the debate will be between Deputy Clumsy, and a log. Ready? Debate.
So, I pretty much hate the West. Just saying. I'd rather prefer the towns, real guns, not to...
Well, it's over. Can't get a word out of Stump, but somehow Stump wins.
Yeah, Stumpy! Man, that's fall down.
No, hey! He's supposed to be a deputy.
Plywood.
Stumpy!
Hate it.
Yeah.
Here comes the conclusion of our race.
What the hell?
And Deputy Boomerang spins his way back to the start. And Outlaw Tom is asleep as usual.
Tom, you fell asleep, didn't you?
And now for our final battle. Freestyle. Freestyle between Dusty Decora and Sheriff Green.
Yeah. We got this there. All right.
You got it. Ready, go. Down.
Here, smell this.
Take your gun.
Those socks are actually white.
Oh. That had been awful. Wow.
Those socks were actually white.
Yeah. Who do you think you won? But I got something you'll never get. Check this out.
Oh God, it's blinded! Oh!
And the winner, the deputies and Sheriff Green.
You guys may have won this round.
I think they got Mentos.
Come on, me. I'll take that.
Oh, be careful, careful.
Okay. And with that, so the deputies chase away the outlaws and tickle Dusty Decora to death. Once again, with the winning of the deputies, Camp Decora is left in a state of peace. But Dusty Decora has sworn his revenge and will not rest until he's seen his promise of redemption fulfilled.
My eye! Oh!